you are the Pinterest board. When it comes to using Pinterest, you have to build and not just copy. When it comes to being inspired by an outfit, you kind of have to pinpoint what it is that is sparking that inspiration within each outfit. So throughout this video, as I am being inspired by Pinterest images, I'm going to be breaking down what is it exactly in each outfit that inspired me, how I put the outfit together, and obviously show you the final outfit as well, as this is a styling video. This summer, as I've mentioned before in my I'm Obsessed video, I want to be wearing long line shorts, I want to be wearing like bubble hems, and I want to be wearing midi skirts, lace. So that is what I was kind of searching around when putting this video together. For outfit one, I love the mix of sporty and feminine, the mix of sporty and classy as well. I love the different textures going on. Obviously, you have the perforated sporty top clashed against the checkered printed shorts with a little frilly detail. And I think just the elements coming together, I really love. And the fact that it feels effortless but still intentional is what I want to achieve in this outfit, and that's what particularly drew me to it. Obviously a slightly different silhouette than the inspo, but I really like the combination of the really baggy shorts with the more fitted top. This isn't a pairing that I would have put together myself had I not seen this inspiration, but I definitely like the fact that it gives me a different way to wear these pieces. I normally obviously wear this with a pair of jeans and just kind of strip it back and make it a little bit more casual, where these shorts, to be fair, I wear with literally everything and anything. I wear it more dressy and I wear it more casual, and I just love the fact that they just go with so many different pieces in my wardrobe. I like the fact that obviously you have a black in the shirt, which kind of ties in the shorts a little bit, but I decided to style it with these backless loafers. I tried to pair them with a pair of dainty ballet flats first, and I didn't really like the fact that the ballet flats were a little bit more stripped back. I think the heaviness of these shoes definitely ties in with this outfit a little bit more. And then just paired it with my satin black Coach bag, again to bring more elements of black and heaviness to the top of the outfit, which I feel like creates like an overall balance. So the main thing I obviously took from the inspiration was the pairing of the sporty top with the check printed trousers, and just trying to make it a more like casual and easy outfit. I'm obsessed with the clash of prints and colour, and I love the fact that even though everything is very clashy, there is a sense of cohesion brought about by the fact that the top and the skirt are in the same mesh type of material, and also the fact that the belt matches the shoes. It's a very subtle detail, but I really like just the little elements of cohesiveness that are brought back in through the color, through the matching belt and shoe detail, and through the material. And this outfit feels very dressy casual, which is something I feel like pertains to my personal style. I obviously say quite a bit that I like mixing elements of dressier pieces with more casual pieces. I like the idea of wearing heels more casually, and this outfit just feels like that. So the overall vibe I love, but I'm particularly drawn to the clash of prints and the mismatch and cohesiveness brought in by the texture. And when being inspired by Pinterest outfits, you always have to make each outfit your own. So taking elements, be it the silhouette, be it the clash in prints, or be it the texture, and just build upon that. So with this outfit, like I said, I want to take the clash in prints and I want to take the material and make it my own. I originally wanted to pair this skirt with the mesh shirt that I showed in my last styling video, but I couldn't find that one. So I want to see how it goes with this one, and I really like the pairing. First of all, I've said before in my color combinations video that brown and blue is just such a nice color combination. It's similar to brown and red, like they just really work well together. So these two just bounce off each other in the most nice way. Again, I love the fact that they're both in like a mesh material. I had a little bit of a dilemma with the shoes. I ended up going with my burgundy tabbies, which I think ties in nicely with the skirt. I originally wanted to wear it with my black flip-flops, but they are not with me at the moment. So I had to make do with what I have. And I really, really like the pairing. Like I feel like it's casual, it's cool, it's a little bit effortless. But obviously you can see I put some effort in the fact that there's a lot of clashing prints going on. And I think the cohesion comes in the red tones that you see in the top, that you see in the skirt, and that you see in the flats as well as the fact that the colors just bounce off each other nicely. I had two bags. Originally, I wanted to go for this leopard printed bag because it just looks so good with the skirt, but I don't like how it looks with these tabby flats. So I'm deciding on this bag, which I feel like just brings cohesion to the entirety of the outfit because of the colors running through it, because of the vibe it gives as well. And I really, really like how this came together. Once again, I wouldn't have thought to put these pieces together had it not been for this Pinterest video. So I had the pieces, but I just needed a new fresh combination. Outfit 3, I was particularly drawn to the silhouette of this outfit, and it immediately reminded me of my red top that I got from Nigeria. And I've actually been wanting to wear this top with a pair of jeans ever since I wore it for a shoot with a pair of jeans by accident. But what I particularly like about this inspo picture is the fact that instead of going for a more sleek and slimmer silhouette at the bottom, she's gone for more volume. It plays into the whole texture of the entirety of the outfit. So I really like that element, and I also like the fact that it's a dressier top with more casual jeans, the clash in texture. You obviously have the smoother satin texture against the rougher denim texture, which again I love. But overall, it's the idea of pairing my red top with a pair of baggy jeans and just seeing how I like that and how I can play around with it as well. This outfit to me didn't really work out in the way that I had intended. I definitely feel like the shirt is much too long. Like had it been like this length in the same silhouette, then it definitely would have worked better with a pair of jeans. But the length is just like a tiny bit too long on me for my personal preference of where I'd like it to stop. And the jeans are too light. So if I was to do this again, I definitely would pair it with a pair of darker wash blue jeans and maybe more of a straight leg fit, because the original trousers that it does come with are a straight leg and they do have a little bit of ballooning. But I do love how those look with this shirt. So I think I definitely would want to restyle this with a pair of different bottoms. Maybe even a red pair of jeans in like a structured shape would give it the same casual dressy vibe rather than the full matching outfit. Obviously the cohesiveness of the colors would help with the fact that the shirt is almost too long to wear with jeans. Maybe like a slimmer jean would work with this length, but this outfit for me was a fail. And I feel like that's the thing you find out with Pinterest as well. Like when you're being inspired by other people, you also get to see what you feel like works on you and what you feel like doesn't work on you, rather than just copying it and wearing it that and feeling uncomfortable for the whole day. I was particularly drawn to this outfit because of the shape created by the bottoms. It reminded me of my balloon trousers that I recently got in, and I've been wanting more ways to style them. So this outfit kind of sparked like an idea. I want to see essentially if I can manipulate them to make them into shorts to create the same volume at the bottom. And I also like the effortlessness and the shapelessness of this outfit as well. If you have watched my channel for a while now, then you'll know that I do love a shapeless outfit, and I love how you can play with shape and dimension through a shapeless outfit. So that is what was inspiring me in this outfit. I don't necessarily like the silhouette of the outfit, but I like the vibe it creates, and I like the way the shorts look in this outfit as well. So that's what I'm gonna play around with. I personally am obsessed with this outfit. Again, it's a pairing that I wouldn't, actually, to be fair, I would have naturally put this top and these trousers together because they're in the same material. I love how the lace details are very much within the same breadth, but I would have never thought to wear these trousers like this. And I feel like it adds something to the entirety of the outfit. So I love, love, love this pairing. I love how effortless it is. And it definitely gives a boho, which is something that I like to lean towards during the warmer weather. So yeah, I decided to play into all the satin textures by wearing my satin Coach bag. I like the contrast of the black against the yellow and the creamy yellow as well. And then these satin BCBG heels. Again, I like the contrast in the taupey color against the entirety of the outfit. I feel like it works together really, really well. And sometimes I'm not sure if like my hair makes me like outfits better, because this hairstyle definitely makes me like this outfit a lot better. Like I just feel like it goes with the whole boho free flowing vibe. And this is what it looks like to be inspired sometimes. Like sometimes you just take elements of an outfit and put it together. For this outfit, obviously I said I liked the shape of the bottoms and I liked the free flowing nature of the outfit, but I didn't necessarily like her outfit. Outfit number 5. I was drawn to this outfit because of the contrast in the heaviness of the skirt against a more smooth casual shirt, and just like the heavy in your face black details. I also love the fact that obviously it's a more very casual shirt paired against more dressy elements, and that just means you get so much more wear out of your wardrobe, like being able to pair things that you wouldn't usually pair together, be it the very casual t-shirt with the dressy skirt, be it the heels with the very casual shirt. Once again, it just means your wardrobe has so much more possibilities, which is why I love the idea of high and low dressing and just casual dressy outfits in general. I love that idea. But for this outfit, I was particularly drawn to the pairing of the fringe skirt with the very casual shirt. I like the contrast in color, but I mainly like just the contrast in material and the contrast in the vibes that each of them are giving. I mean, how could I pair anything else but this Karen Millen skirt? I love the fringing on this skirt, and of course the inspo picture was fringed, and I really love how it looks with this baby tee. Once again, I've only worn this skirt dressed up. It's a new in, like it's been in my wardrobe for like probably about a month, I think, maybe a little bit over that, but I've only ever worn it dressed up because of how like detailed it is, the fringing going on. But I'm glad I paired it with this tee. I like the fact that it's got yellow in it and obviously ties it in with the mustardy yellow in the skirt as well. And then the blue in the bag ties in with the blue in the skirt. And I went a little bit rogue with these flats, but I love how it all came together. Like I really like this outfit. I like that it's wearable day to day, like it's a very casual laid back outfit, and I think it definitely gives the same vibe as the inspo. It's a little bit less heavy in terms of the colors and the contrast, but definitely in the fact that it's the more dressy skirt paired with a more casual top. And that was the main thing that I was inspired by, and the main thing I liked. I didn't necessarily like the silhouette of that because it's not a silhouette that I would personally wear. I'm more like a baby tee, like a fitted top, or baggy on baggy rather than like a huge top and a long top with a more fitted skirt. So I love this outfit. I feel like it's very cute. It works really well. And for my last outfit, once again, it's a midi skirt with a shirt, but I particularly love the unusual pairing of this casual striped jumper with the sparkly skirt. It's just like a cool, effortless detail. I feel like when you do high-low dressing and you have it in like a more relaxed silhouette, it just looks so much more effortless, which I really like about this outfit. But I particularly like just the shape and silhouette of it, the long sleeve with the midi skirt, the more dressy skirt with the more casual top. I feel like we're used to doing the more casual bottoms with the more dressy top, and this just switches it around, which I really like. There's something so beautiful about a green and pink color combination. Obviously, red and green are complementary colors, but sometimes, like I've said before, it screams a little bit too much Christmas, and pink is the next best thing. But I love the way green and pink look together, especially like different like tones that kind of relate. So like a darker green with a darker pink, a lighter green with a lighter pink. Like it just looks so nice together. This outfit, I definitely need to get like a brown slip skirt. I'm wearing shorts right now, but I feel like a skirt under a skirt would look a lot better and a lot cleaner rather than shorts under a skirt, because obviously it's sheer. But I really like this outfit. Once again, I like the mix of high and low. Obviously, the more feminine, lacy texture against the more masculine rotary print is really nice. Then I decided to pair it with this Jimmy Choo vintage bag. And I love the way the worn-in like texture ties in with the rotary print. Like they just look really nice together. Obviously, it helps the fact that they're in the same color as well. Well, they have same color like running through the top. And I decided to finish it off with flip-flops just to give it a more relaxed, stripped back look. And I really like this outfit. It would definitely be perfect for a holiday. It's not necessarily the type of outfit that I'd wear here in the UK, but I just love everything about it. I love the combination. And again, it's not a combination that I've put together before. I normally tend to, well, I've worn this skirt with like denim capris under, so you have the capri coming through, but I definitely do feel like it's nice to have the skirt and the material come in on its own. So either like a pink or a brown slip skirt would look absolutely perfect with this. I hope you all enjoyed this second rendition of You Are the Pinterest Board, and I hope it inspires you to use Pinterest in a way that just more so makes you think about what it is that you like within each outfit. And in doing so, I definitely believe it helps you to develop your personal style. It helps you to just find more ways to wear the pieces within your wardrobe, because obviously everything I've used for today's videos are pieces that are existing within my wardrobe. And it helps you just to streamline your getting dressed process as well, and means you always have something to wear. So I hope you were inspired, and as usual, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe if you haven't already, and to sign up to my newsletter. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless you.